Hey guys, Professor Bob here, coming to you this week. I have quite a bit I want to talk about right now, so please pay attention, take some notes. First of all, Module 3 is due this week. It's assignments 4 and 5, plate tectonics and earthquakes. Many of you may have been paying attention and learned a lot about earthquakes, and you can apply that knowledge to what's going on in California right now. So these are two really big units in the class. So hit the ground running and start early. So assignments 4 and 5 doing mastering, plate tectonics, earthquakes, and then discussion board 3 goes along with the very beginning of plate tectonics. Anyway, and you can go from there, okay? Few things, I'm getting several emails about discussion boards and why you're scoring low on discussion boards, and where I would just really, it would be easier for me just to email you back and tell you why, but I want you to find out why so you can fix the problem, okay? It's what I've been talking all along. If you're watching the video announcements, you're probably fine, okay? But for those of you who aren't watching them, who might just be watching now, here's something for you, for everybody. Extra credit, okay? If you email me by Wednesday at midnight on how you get, and the reason why, because a lot of people don't start till late in the week. Email me by Wednesday at midnight what you have to do to get a 20 out of 20 on a discussion board. Guys, several areas, the syllabus, my announcements, the schedule, the course modules, all have the due dates in them. That's a big one. But even beyond the due dates, is there a word limit? So on and so forth. I want to know what it takes for you to get a 20 out of a 20 on a discussion board. If you email that information to me by Wednesday at midnight, you get 10 extra credit points. Okay? So for those of you who struggled this week on the discussion board and don't know why you got a low grade, please look into this, figure it out, email me, and you'll get 10 points back, extra credit. Okay? That's discussion board. So the other thing coming up, not this week, but next week, you will have your first exam, okay? Here's how next week works. It's Module 4. You will have Assignment 6 on volcanoes. There will be no discussion board. Assignment 6 on volcanoes will be due Thursday at midnight, okay? The reason is because you will have Friday to Sunday, really Thursday to Sunday to take the exam, all right? So that's how next week's going to work, all right? Next week will be assignment on volcanoes. The rest of it is for you to keep studying so that you're prepared for your exam that'll begin on Thursday and end Sunday evening. I began posting stuff under the course information module on the exam. It's right underneath it. It's called exam information. Has information on honor lock, and it'll have information on the exam soon. I don't want to overload you right now with that, but start looking at that. And you guys need to start studying now, believe it or not. I know this is a 6-week accelerated course, blah, blah, blah. Bob, we know this. Anyway, I'm just, whatever, you just keep clamoring on. Anyway, so this week, remember, discussion board 3, assignments 4 and 5. Keep up with your notes. Keep studying. Remember, next week, test coming up, extra credit. Big extra credit for you. Get on that. Take care. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay? Bye.